Going?
Okay, here we are at the Devil's Highway Hot Tub. We have our friend Chris Palmer precariously perched in the Devil's Hot Tub, being winched out by his trusted brother-in-law, whom I'm sure he has never offended.
You look awesome down there.
Shannon Markle. Shannon is sitting on his motorcycle. His motorcycle is dead man to my motorcycle. A couple of R1200 GS Adventures. His BMW is the mule in this case. And here's Chris, still precariously perched on the side of this mountain, or hot tub as it were.
Hey, did you ever hear that term, let's leave them hanging?
I suppose we could have a battery go dead right now, huh?
There's the rear peg, Bill, right there.
Incredible.
That wasn't that bad.
The WARN 1700-pound winch is really doing its job.
That looks good.
Appears that we have a successful rescue here.
At least your weight strap will be nice and tight, rolled up good. Yeah, well.
Brothers Chris and Cody Palmer.
Let me know when you're ready.
2 peas in a pod, and their brother-in-law Shannon Markle, a 3rd pea in the pod. Oh yeah, just cut it loose.
Okay, go ahead.
No question that WARN winch is worth its weight in gold. You get yourself in a pickle.
Right. That stuff not holding.
I can't get that.
It's almost.
Well, I think we'll call that good, guys. You're out.
That's it? That's it?
That's it.
So big thumbs up from all players.